Sunday. I have a quick talk for work. I will go sneaker shopping at the outlet. And number 3, staycation with the wife at Sedano Valley. Let's go! Look at my bag! Yeah! Under Armour Project Rock. Sneakers of the day. Vans. So guys, nandito kami sa Paseo. Tingnan namin yung outlet kasi it's the last day na nung sale. Great sale ng Nike. So the missus, woohoo! Galing lang kami actually ng, saan tayo galing? Sa Alabang. So nagbigay ako ng inspirational message, isang taekwondo tournament. Ngayon, sobrang lakas ng kutob ko na punong-puno yung Nike kasi last day na to ng great sale. So let's see. Nike Factory Store. Ano na guys, yung Kyrie Pitch Blue. So yung All-Star na Kyrie 4. 4-2. Foam posits. 8.9 from 11,000. Horoy, mag-hi ka naman. Hi. Ayun, what's up? So nakakita ko guys, ano lang, 222 na Jordan 2. Sobrang ganda, size ko. Win. So meron din sila nung Air Max 270. So yung blue tsaka orange, tapos yung all white 6.8. Flyknit pala to, yung white. So naka 10% off yung Flyknit nila. Air Max 97 6.5. Ito panalo yung 90 na essential. What's up? Mag-hi ka naman. So guys, so Air Max 90 Ultra 2 Essential 3,000 dahil meron siyang 50% off. Guys, hindi ko in-expect. Meron na Epic React Flyknit dito, 10% off. Yun o. Yan, color blue. So, 7.6, 6.7 na lang. Win. %40. And I'm back home, so apologies for the newly woken up look. My hair is kind of all over the place, but I wanted to get this video out before, well, the usual 7 p.m. So yeah, I'll shoot this at 4 a.m. in the morning or whatever time it is. It's like 5:40 a.m. here in the Philippines. So yeah, apologies for the hair. So I love going to the factory store because there are a lot of great deals to be had, especially here in the Philippines when the Nike factory store throws a sale. So one of the best deals that I ever picked up, this was a Nike Air Max Jacquard, which usually sold for over 8,000 pesos here in the Philippines. I got this at 70% off, so I was able to pick this up, I think, for a little less than 3,000 pesos. I'll put the link down below to the video I made on my outlet trip where I picked this particular pair up. This is one of the best deals that I've ever gotten. I mean, take a look at that really sweet mesh upper. Then you have that the leather accents along the side, as well as here's the back. It's also ridiculously comfortable. I love the heel. I love everything about it. It's such a luxe sneaker. And to be able to get it at 70% off, I think captures the very essence of what factories outlets are supposed to be. They're not supposed to be stores where you get 10% off or 20% off, because that defeats the purpose of factory stores. You're supposed to get steals like this one. And when I mean steals, They are ridiculously good deals. They are premium sneakers that you get at crazy low prices. Which brings me to my pickup, my latest pickup. So this is the one that I showed you guys earlier when I was shooting at the factory store over at Santa Rosa. This is the Air Jordan 2 Retro Deconstructed. The original price here in the Philippines was 8,095 pesos. I picked this up for 2,295 pesos, or a little over $40, which is a fantastic deal in my book. I mean, $40 for a Jordan 2. For a Jordan is good in any day, on any day. So let's take a look at the shoe. It comes in your typical black Jumpman box logo. Let's just pop it open. Woo! I mean, guys, 2,200 pesos. $40 for this? I mean, come on. That does... Wow. Just doesn't get any better than that. So, yeah, it's made from all suede. Then you have that really nice midsole. And man, it just looks so good for the price that I paid. You have Nike here in leather, and then you have the wings, Air Jordan logo here at the tongue. Whoo! Man. Oh, the perforations also. It kind of gives it a more premium brogue-like look. Usually what you get with dress shoes. And that, I think, is the main spirit of the Air Jordan 2. To those who don't know the history, the Air Jordan 2 was actually one of the only, well, probably the only Jordans made in Italy. Mainly because the designers, Peter Moore and I think Bruce Kilmore, or one of the two guys who also made the Jordan 1, really wanted the Jordan 2 to have a very premium and luxe feel to it. Now, it actually has a lot of history, mainly because for some reason, apparently in the 1990s, they lost the original Jordan 2 mold. So Nike kind of had to reverse engineer or rebuild the Air Jordan 2 when they wanted to retro it. So it's just a funny bit of trivia. But anyway, that retro and luxe feel, that was the original spirit of the Jordan 2 when it first came out, can be felt with this pair. As you guys can see here, this actually originally came out 2017, and again at the retail price of 8,000 pesos. Now, I picked it up for 2,200. I mean, that's just, yeah. Outlets, I love them. So I will be doing a full review on that maybe in the coming days ahead. But yeah, I'll end the video here, and I just want to say thank you to everybody who's been supporting the channel. We're now at 47, I think, 1,000 subscribers. That was really fast. I'm still shocked. It has been a crazy journey so far, doing this vlog, doing this sneaker vlog, and I am excited to see what will happen in the next few weeks as we pump out more content, more videos, and more stuff for you guys. That's it for now. I hope you all have a great week ahead. Peace. God bless. Pooh.
Martial arts, right?
Yeah, fight sports.
Fight, so I started to put in taekwondo. So you're starting with judo and then...
Fight ng tournament na yun ng ano yan, meron na.
Next level.